So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So we know that few weeks back we have completed 10k subscribers. So that time I've promised that I'll start something new that will be beneficial to my subscribers. So already we have been discussing stocks on regular basis. So in that we discuss only updates, news and what will be the next possible levels. So many people requested to do a separate video on how we basically search stocks for positional trade, intraday stocks, swing trades, cryptocurrencies, forex trading, what are options. So all these questions are arised by many people. So I've decided that I need to start something new so that it will be beneficial to each and every individual, so that they'll learn everything free of cost without paying even a single rupee. So my motto is that each and every individual should earn profit. They should have a right opinion regarding stock market, because learning is important, right? I'm not telling that learning is not necessary. So learning is important, so that time only you can earn some consistent returns. Okay, that is very important. So that's why I have decided that if I club all these things, basically the features that I am going to launch in this stocks diary education. So this is the basic channel that I want to launch. So in this, basically we will discuss all the intraday strategies, options, live sessions, crypto and forex. So these are the four things that are mainly we are going to focus. So after that we are also going to discuss technical analysis. So this is the basic thing that many people are having doubts, like how to find the bottom of a stock, technical indicators. After that, complete screeners. So basically don't know, charting is a very good website. So in that, how to set up a screener, how to find out stocks for swing trade. So how to find out stocks which may give some very good returns even for long term. So all these things I have practiced and I've gained some experience, and I am feeling very happy to share all this with you people in the coming sessions. So only thing is that we need support. So you need to share with maximum people so that all should be benefited. So because in single channel I can't club all those things, because you will be confused, because in already the stocks diary channel we are discussing all the stocks, more than 4 to 5 videos I'm uploading on regular basis. So again it will be a mixture, so you'll have complete confusion. So that's why I have decided that separate channel would be better, and in that we can create playlist also, we can do live sessions also, so that everything will be I mean that we can have a one-to-one interaction as well. That is what I wanted to say, and you can learn something new to the stock market. Okay, so this is the main update that I wanted to give, because after 10k subscribers many people were asking what would be the next step. So this is the next step I have decided. So that is not possible by many people. First thing I want to tell that many people don't provide all these things free of cost, but my intention is to teach as many people as, and they should be benefited. So that is my motto. So please do subscribe the channel. So I'll continue uploading videos. So once maximum people get subscribed, so then definitely I'll continuously upload the videos. So make sure you're subscribing the channel, and also do share with friends who are in need to learn something new related to stock market. So until then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.